Hey everyone, welcome back to Mani Maker. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to upload an image into a Silhouette Studio app. If you're new to Silhouette software, no worries. I've broken everything down in a few easy, beginner-friendly steps. And if you have any questions or need help with your machine or projects, feel free to reach out to our experts. Alright, let's get started. First of all, click on the Start button and start typing Silhouette Studios in the search bar and select Open. Then navigate to the Design tab. Once you're on the Design page, click on the Open folder icon. After that, go to the folder where you saved the image and select the image you want to add. So, this is how we upload the image to the Silhouette app. You can now resize it and edit the image as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.